Well, we're coming back home into our canal here. Look at the boats that were out today. I am just amazed by this. Amazed by that. The boats that were out today. And there were a lot of boats fishing today. Now, I don't know, maybe the fish come out when it's colder. Who knows? And to the left over there, that's another place where they all come out of. People are just coming out now, and I'm shocked at that because the weather's dropping here. But I'm the only one with the winter coat on. Everyone just has sweatshirts on. These people are fishing over here. Well, this is our canal back to our house. It's a beautiful canal. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It was my favorite house, though. You see the dog up on top, you guys? Hug dog. Oh my god. He's got the boat I want. He's got everything. So when I come by here, I dream a little bit. He's got it all. In this home here, we always say it's my grandfather, even though it's not. They're only here part-time. We laugh about that house. It's a nice canal. It takes us about, probably 35, 45 minutes to get to actually the Gulf from here. So we have a ride out, I said 35, maybe 40 minutes through this canal. But I say it's all expensive homes, so you don't mind looking at it. Because every time I come out of this canal, I say, wow, I didn't notice that house, or I didn't notice that boat, or whatever. Well, we didn't see any dolphins today. I think it's too cold. They really come out when it's really warm out. When it's warm out, you'll see one after another. But I don't know what the temperature is right now, but it's got to be, it is dropping. But I think these Floridians that are true boaters, they just come out and they're coming out before the cold weather hits. And if they're anything like me, it's like, okay, I get out on the water and I just clear my head. So I'm very grateful, very, very grateful. And this little boat over here, the big tiki tours. You can rent that and they take you out and cruise. Lots of options here. Lots of options down here.
Well, I've been thinking about the promotion.
So this is just one of the canals, of 400 miles of canals.
Before you get too excited, I'm not sure I'm ready for it
Cape
yet.
Coral, Florida, guys.